In this video, I'm going to show you why you need to be sure to check the mobile view of your website before you go live. Hi, I'm Christy Price. If you're following along with my Squarespace pre-launch checklist, welcome back. If you don't have a copy of the checklist, I'll drop a link below so you can grab it. All right, let's dive in. All right, I am here in my scribe template for authors, and right now things look pretty good on desktop. And if we click over to mobile view, things look great there too. Everything's in the right order. The layout looks good. Nice. But what happens if we start making some changes here? So let's just, for example, add a new shape block. So let's say I want to call out that this is on sale. So let's go ahead and add a shape like this. We're not going to stretch it. We're going to make it our bright pink. Actually, you know what? Let's make it a fluorescent yellow to go with this brand, and then we'll pop it over here. Can make it a little smaller, and let's drop a text block on top of it that says on sale. And bring it over here. We will make that centered. Also center it left to right. Bring that in a bit, and then put it right here. You can see it's a little tricky sometimes to get these things to line up. There we go. Gonna go ahead and bold that. And I think I'm gonna make it our heading 3. There we go. And I wish there was a way to rotate it. There's not yet, but hopefully it's on the roadmap. So now we have this on sale sticker that we've added. And you'll notice that here in the mobile view, there is a little blue dot that was not there before. That means, hey, you should really check out the mobile view before you hit save. So let's go ahead and hop over to our mobile view, and you can see it added these things kind of where it thought they should go, but not in the right place at all. So what we're going to do is manually move this over. Gonna make changes here. Now, any changes we make to the layout, like where things are positioned, does not carry over to the desktop view, which is really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and get these blocks, drag them up, and then I've got a lot of white space here that I will drag this up for as well. Now things look like they should on mobile. And if we go back to desktop, all of that looks the same because all I did was rearrange the elements in mobile view. Now I can hit save and those changes are live. So this goes for any kind of fluid engine section that you have. So if you are working in a section that says add block here on the left and the right hand side looks like this, that's a fluid engine section. That means that you're going to have the control of the grid. And if you hit G on your keyboard, you can actually see the grid and where things are positioned. That works for mobile view too. And it's going to help you get things aligned correctly. So again, on your Squarespace website, just remember to go in and take a look at the mobile view before you push save on a page that you've been working on layout for. Just make sure everything looks good both on desktop and on mobile. So you might be saying, why did Squarespace make this happen like this? Why doesn't it just automatically configure mobile for me? Well, in the old classic editor, which we used prior to 2020 and sometimes still use today if we want text to wrap around images and things like that, there was a specific order that things appeared in mobile. And sometimes that was not the right order. So, for example, here, if this were a classic section, the book would appear at the very bottom, but we want the book to appear at the top. So in these cases, it really is handy to have this kind of fluid engine layout. We can also overlap items, which is not something that we could do on Classic Editor. So there are some real benefits here. It does mean that we have to go in and take a look at mobile separately just to make sure that everything is working there as well, but there's a lot more flexibility. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like or drop a comment below as it helps other people discover my videos. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.